Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then find the apps, which are right there. Then let's tap on Manage Apps, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on Reset Up Preferences. Your device will reset preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.